welcome back to my YouTube channel. Don't forget for like, comment, share, and subscribe. Easy to use. In contrast to conventional banking, trading in the crypto required nothing more than access um, to internet and a computer. In theory, a cryptocurrency self-regulation is based on the effectiveness of its users. These users maintain the integrity and the accuracy of the cryptocurrency distributed ledger of transaction known as the blockchain, and their effort make it possible for anyone with access to computer to mine cryptocurrency. In 2021, the outlook for digital currencies changed dramatically. Not only are crypto fans no longer the ones mining Bitcoin, but they are also no longer the sole ones reaping the rewards of the cryptocurrency growth. Due to a small number of corporations having access to the vast quantities of the processing power and electric needed for the mining at the scale, the mining network has been more closed off to individual users. Simultaneously, there is growing skepticism about the degree to which the market is a true reflection of the people's will, because large corporate investments like that of Tesla can produce short-term inflation in the market value. Success rate, like so many other things, the success of what was once the flying movement was led to mainstream adoption. Communist participation in the market has drawn the attention of regulators, who have hitherto paid little attention to crypto trading and mining. Government haven't done much to control or moderate the Bitcoin market since its inception, especially compared to traditional investing form. Cryptocurrency global domination as decentralized money has remained mostly unchecked. The era of carefree decentralized finance is coming to end. Perhaps unexpectedly investor favor a new regulation despite their widely different opinions on the potential effect to such policies and the who so formulate them. What investors care about most though is the government control specific. Many financiers think that more staying roles could lend credibility to the emerging market, making it possible for more companies to accept digital currencies, boosting their worth and making them more resistant to fraud while simultaneously lowering price swing and the risks of criminal activity. Although originally investors were drawn in the cryptocurrencies, mm, they worry that the negative aspect of crypto legislation will threaten their financial security and the anonymity and the freedom they enjoy in the exist market. The case 22 here is that while regulation is desired, many are wary of embracing it for fear of compressing cryptocurrency values. Cryptocurrency thrive on the volatility and the anonymity, but regions provides protection and stability. However, given cryptocurrency scale, it is impossible for a currency to function without oversight. It will be difficult for government, coin exchange, and the investor to find a happy medium to regulate a previously unregulated commodity while enabling it to grow in value. Many people have a general district of companies that are permitted to self-regulate. Still, in this instance, they view it as a feeble answer to the special concerns associated with crypto legislation. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget for like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.